Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here today. I've got some jet lag remedies to share with you. This is fabulous. So if you're gonna be traveling, you definitely wanna get this pack. This is a 3 homeopathic remedy set that you combine to help ease those jet lag symptoms. So you've got Arnica montana, you've got Cocculus indicus, and Nux vomica. And the instructions on the label say people 2 years and older, all the way up to adults, you're gonna dissolve 5 pellets of each under your tongue every 3 hours until your symptoms subsist. You can even take this in anticipation for a trip so that hopefully those symptoms are gonna be eased. If you've never tried homeopathic remedies before, they are great. They are loaded into sucrose pellets, and so it's super easy to take. I love these dispensaries because you're not going to get too many. So you're going to you twist the top, you rotate it, and it will just dispense one at a time. And so you're going to do 5 of these, of each of these. You put it on your tongue, let it dissolve. It just takes a little bit. It tastes sweet because it's sucrose. Homeopathic remedies are phenomenal. If you don't like to suck on these, you can even put them in a little bit of water. You just want to make sure you drink all that water within about 30 minutes. So happy traveling. Hope you feel great.